plagued 2020. City of Joy, Kolkata, saw those horrifying 10 days of collapse of municipal services and administration paralysis. State suffered in varied ways despite precise IMD predictions and reflects great strides made by the Indian scientists. Help came from NDRF, Indian Army, Odisha Fire Services in restoring municipal services of the city, which was crippled for 10 days in the aftermath of Amphan. We have learned many crucial lessons in 2020. What the human grit, determination, cooperation, and importance of preparations mean in tiding over monumental crisis, and how the tragedy brought many positives in us, most significantly patience and empathy, learning to survive challenges by hand-holding in needs. Wish and Pray 2021 brings many new opportunities to all and fulfill their wishes that COVID pandemic denied in 2020, more so to them who were inflicted upon with unimaginable loss of life, wealth, fortune, and opportunities. Wish 2021 a year fructifying and translating into reality Kavi Guru's vision, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free. Pray, uniqueness and rich legacy of Bharat permeates and flourishes in the state. Oneness of nation, reflected in the preamble of the Indian Constitution, we the people must guide all those who misguidedly engage in divisive refrain of outsider. Pray West Bengal exemplify its enormously rich culture, its ascents and intrinsic spinal strength to secure 2021 elections, shun of violence with political neutral stance of police and administration, people enjoying human rights and freedom, and administration turns out to be transparent and accountable. Let West Bengal, India and the entire world usher into boundless joy, happiness and fruition of their cherished aspirations in 2021. Wishing a life without mask to all in 2021. Jai Hind. Namaskar.
And that was West Bengal governor addressing the media. This given the fact that there has been a face-off between the TMC and the West Bengal governor Jagdeep Dhankar, with one of the TMC leaders saying that he must be removed. The West Bengal governor must be removed, and he has in fact even submitted a memorandum to that effect. But once again, you have Jagdeep Dhankar hitting back at the TMC, also saying that let West Bengal and the entire world assure joy and happiness in the year 2021. So really going ahead with the year-end wishes and giving the latest reaction as far as the TMC versus West Bengal showdown in the state is concerned, with the TMC time and again clashing with the West Bengal governor Jagdeep Dhankar, with Jagdeep Dhankar time and again highlighting the deteriorating law and order situation in the state.